This is our first HTML tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn three things. First, how to install a Atom text editor to write the HTML content, how to run the HTML content, and how to write image and how to use image on the HTML web page. So here you can see that I already opened atom.io. Through atom.io you can install and you can download and install the Atom text editor. We use this text editor to write the HTML page. Once you download and install the Atom text editor, and once you open it, then it will appear like this here. And once once you run the Atom and when you click on install a package and click on open installer, then you can install the packages. So there are two packages you have to install. It will help you to develop the HTML app smoothly. First one is this one and second one is this one. I will provide these names in the description. So once you install these packages, and after that you can start the HTML development. So here you can click the add folder button, and you can, for example, here we are going to create a profile website, so I gave the new folder name profile and click on open. So here you can see that profile folder has created. Under that you can create a new file, for example index.html. First file name always we gave index.html, we give index.html. So here we gave the name index.html. We can close other windows. So here once you write HTML and click on enter, then you can see that a template already appeared on the screen, on the window. So this is the game behind your Atom text editor. It automatically present these templates. So here you can see there are few tags, few elements are there. So let me describe one by one. First is doc type. Doc type tells the browser. First you should know that any HTML page, any HTML content run by browser. So this doc type tells the browser what HTML version we are going to use to develop the HTML page. Another tag is HTML. HTML tag tells the browser that this is the HTML file, this is the HTML body element. Another tag is head. Head defines or head describes the browser that what are the information of the website. Means head tells the information about the website. For example, here you can see that meta elements telling the browser that we are going to use UTF-8 encoding to develop the our HTML page. And here you can see that there is another element is title tag. Under title tag, if you give any name, for example here if I gave Abhi profile, then it will appear this name on the browser tab. I will show you after some time. And another tag is body tag. Under body tag we write over the content which appears on the HTML page. So these are the elements. Means from starting tag to end tag we call the element. For example, here from here to here you will say that this is the body element. From here to here you will say that this is the head element, and from here to here you will say that this is the HTML element. This is the name, head, body, these are the tags. And for example, if you see that this is the meta element, and under that you can see that there is another attribute char set. So this is the attribute which defines which provides the extra information about this element. If you don't see closing tag, this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. here slash title is the closing tag, only title is the opening tag. So if you don't see any closing tag, then you can say that this element is a self closing tag. For example, here meta is a self closing tag, and here title is the only you can say that it is a element. And but if you don't see any closing tag, then you will say that it is a self closing tag. So this is the HTML element template, sorry. And so let's start how you can use image source image to appear on your HTML page. So if you write img and click on enter, then this atom text editor automatically will write a image element. So here you can say that image element is a self closing tag, because there is no image closing tag. So that is why this as image element called self closing tag. So here under source you can give any image name, for example my pic.png. so it will show the my pic.png on the on your website, on your HTML website page. And alt cause alternative to provide the extra information. For example, here you can say that abhi avatar. So if you put your image on your local folder, then you can write the name of the image like this. For example, if I download any pic, you can simply drag and drop. So here you can see that I um, I put a image avatar.jpg in our profile folder, under the profile folder. So here you can write the name of the image, avatar.jpeg, and once you save it and right click on the index.html file, copy full path, open your Chrome browser and just paste it. So here you can see that one image appeared on your HTML page. You can also define the height and width of the image. For example, 151 should be okay, and save it and refresh it. So here you can see that your image is coming on your index.html file. And for example, if you copy image address, for example, if you want to download the image from your server, then simply you can put the URL under the source attribute. For example, here I put the image URL under the src and save it and refresh it. So here you can see that this time it appeared from your server, or from the server, or from any website, and you can simply delete it. Now save it and again refresh it. So here it is appearing from the internet. So this is the image tag which we use um, to show the image on the HTML page. Alt is you can say it is alternative. For example, sometime it may happen that your image is not coming from the server, then this text will appear on the screen, and you define the height and width of the image. And yeah, Abhi profile, which I told you last time, that it appeared on the uh, browser tab. So here you can see that it is appearing, for example, here. So this is the title of our website. So yeah, this is the first tutorial. In this we learned that how you can install the atom text ID, and how can run the HTML page, and after that we learned some basic concept of the HTML and image tag. In next lesson we will learn about heading and some self-enclosing tags. For now, thanks.